Okay guys, I'm back. I'm here in my favourite village of Draunivi in Ra. Now, you've probably been wondering, or you've probably worked it out for yourself, but I haven't been able to vlog for the last couple of weeks because Fiji is going through a second phase of COVID. It went a whole year over, I think it was about 380 days or something, without a single case of COVID. But then we were suddenly hit a couple of weeks ago with a strain of COVID, and well, the country is effectively in shutdown. Suva, the capital, has been very badly hit, and there were one or two outbreaks here and there in Nandi and Lautoka, and just a bit further on in a village over in that direction. Anyway, so I thought I'd give you a quick glimpse of what's going on. So I'm in Draunivi, and they've got this checkpoint here. Now I don't want to breach COVID regulations. We've got to maintain social distancing. Got to stay 2 meters apart. I could interview some of the people maintaining the checkpoint, but I've spoken to them. I'll tell you what's going on. People from the village are allowed to leave, and they can come back whenever they like. But they've got to maintain social distancing when they leave. They've got to go and do whatever they're doing. If they're going out shopping, they do the shopping, then come back, and they put their names on a list. Just at this checkpoint here, they put the names on the list. They get their temperature taken. They're given hand sanitizer. And people who are wanting to visit this village, at the moment you can't visit any village in Fiji. That's why I can't vlog. But I mean, for other reasons as well. I mean, most obvious which you just can't travel in Fiji at this moment. We're okay here on the western side. We've got a bit more liberty here, but in Suva there is total shutdown. You can only go out shopping and then go home. But here we've got a bit more liberty, but there are curfew hours from 6 p.m. till 4 a.m. every day. But anyway, so this behind me is effectively what is happening in villages all around Fiji. So visitors can come and visit. They're only given, I think, about 5 or 10 minutes to see somebody. They've got to put their name on a list. They've got to use hand sanitizer. They have to have their temperature taken, and then once that's all done, they've got to leave. Apart from that, those are the only visitors allowed in villages at the moment. So yeah, it's very strict at the moment. That's why I haven't been able to vlog. I've been wanting to do a story on this village. It has very strong independence traditions. There's a story I wanted to cover about this flag that they raised years ago as a declaration of independence. There's a story I wanted to go and visit a couple of Fijian hill forts, and just behind me over there is a small mountain or a large hill. It's called Bungala, and I wanted to do a walk up there, but everything's on hold at the moment until we get a grip on the COVID situation and things can return to normal. But for the time being, I'm just giving you a little glimpse into what the situation is like in Fiji. So there you go. It's a very tricky situation, but we've just got to live with it. And I hope to be returning to my normal business of vlogging at some point in the future. I mean, it shouldn't be too far off, maybe just another couple of weeks. Yeah, this is just a quick vlog to show you what's going on. And what's going on is not a great deal, I'm afraid. But there you go.